Performance and benchmarks. Excellent benchmark performance. Snapdragon 845 is a top performer. Gigabit Internet ready. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact has a Snapdragon 845 chipset. It has 8 Cryo cores, in the standard arrangement. 4 are performance cores, 4 are lower clocked for everyday use. It is so powerful you have to wonder whether it has slightly wasted on a phone with just an extra long Full HD screen. It scores 8,371 in Geekbench 4, comparable with the Samsung Galaxy S9. Many more phones are expected to use this chipset in 2018, including the HTC U12 and LG G7. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact has 4 GB of RAM. It has fast dual-channel DDR4 according to our benchmarks. Not that anyone pays attention to RAM speed at the moment. The Snapdragon 845 also has a 1.2 Gbps modem. This is handy if you live in an area with incredibly fast 4G mobile internet. But in most places it doesn't mean a great deal.